Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to share Android screen to laptop. So first of all, you just need to open your settings. So go to the search box and type settings and open the settings app. And here basically just need to go here on system, and here on system scroll down and then click on this projecting to this PC. Now basically you just need to make sure that you set up your system. So just need to make sure that you are here on available everywhere, and here to ask the project to this PC, click on first time only, and here require pin for pairing, click on never, and just enable this button right here. What you're going to do next is click on the launch the wireless display app, and basically just need to open our phone. And here on our mobile phone, just need to swipe down to show the cast option. And here, so swipe left and click on this cast. And now searching for the devices nearby. And once the laptop shows up, just need to click on that laptop. And basically, it will automatically connect to your laptop. And just need to wait for a few seconds. And here, finally, we have now connected our Android phone to the laptop. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.